Let's talk about some fuel filters for a minute. This is a fuel filter for I believe this was for a customer's bike. It's an 09 Electra Glide. You can see it's not very big. Comes with an O-ring in the package. You know, yes, these bikes do have fuel filters in the tank. Usually it is a little bit of a chore to take them apart. You got to take the center console off, take the sender out. Some of them bolt in. The newer style ones, they actually turn and lock. You got to use a special tool that will clamp onto the ring and pop the ring out. Anyways, Harley actually recommends changing these for their service interval at 100,000 miles, which to me seems a little excessive. I mean, this thing's tiny. Putting 100,000 miles of, I don't know how much gas that equates to through that little tiny filter, but my recommendation is to probably change this guy at least every 20,000 miles. I mean, I get it, the bikes run okay, but what you're doing is, and we've seen a lot of these Harleys have some injector issues. $20, $14 part can save you definitely $300 to $400 if you're replacing injectors and that kind of stuff. And some of these older bikes, this one's relatively newer. Definitely the older twin cams, we've definitely replaced a lot of injectors. And another side note, it's always a good point, even just for the inspection, even if it's 20,000 miles, putting a fuel filter in, these plastic straw hoses are what connects everything inside these fuel tanks. So you're out, that goes to the outlet of the pump. There's a pickup in there. Again, each configuration model is a little bit different, but these hoses can tend to crack, and you might not even know it, that you start getting your tank, you have a crack up here, you get it down below here, it's just bleeding off into that system, and you might get some stuttering drivability issues. The bike might even leave you stranded if it's that bad and just broke right off. So again, just a little quick tip just to show what's inside of these tanks. Again, they do have fuel filters. I strongly suggest changing them, but again, that's your call. Thanks for watching.